We're using 1/8 inch thick aluminum, so we've got the machine set 129 amps using the foot pedal, a number 7 ferric cup, and we started off at about 20 CFH argon flow, which usually is plenty for this size cup, or actually even a number 8 cup. But something wasn't quite right. We weren't hardly getting any cleaning action. The puddle was just kind of milky, and you can see right on the edges, right on the toes of the weld, hardly any extra cleaning action going outside the toe of the weld. The weld was looking pretty good. Nothing like horrible or anything like that. Not a bunch of pepper in the puddle or black spots or anything like that. It just wasn't looking as good as it should look. So we decided something was up, and we're going to test and find out. Again, we were using the number 6 setting on the machine, and that usually gives a good little 1/8 of an inch extra cleaning action outside the bead. But as you can see right here, it wasn't doing that. So we got curious and decided to stop welding and do a little testing. We're going to check different argon flow rates. So still using that number 7 clear cup, we decided to start off at 15 CFH and gradually increase the flow rate by 5 each time, and just do a little light puddle of one little spot area and see what the cleaning action looked like. Left the AC balance setting the same for everything. Tried to keep the same arc length and just use just enough amperage to barely puddle the aluminum. So it was not exact, but pretty close. And so the first little spot size was fairly small at 15 CFH. Not much cleaning action at all. So now next thing is just to bump it up by 5 and go to 20 CFH, which is a good all-around setting for this size cup. And it looks, already we can tell we're getting a good bit more cleaning action, and you can really see a distinct difference in that frosty little spot there. Okay, that's interesting. Let's pump it up 5 more and go to 25 CFH, and we'll puddle that really quickly, and immediately you see a lot more cleaning action. And so the spot size is getting bigger and bigger just according to the flow rate. Now, I would have thought initially that 30 CFH would have been way too much for this cup size. I thought it would be way too much and give you an erratic arc and just wouldn't weld good. But I got a really crisp arc start, and it welded really clean with a nice big swath of cleaning action. So basically I got the most out of the cup right there. Now, I wouldn't want to go much higher than that because it probably would start giving a really erratic arc. But that tells me right there that just flow rate alone affects how wide the cleaning action goes. Same size cup, didn't change the AC balance at all. There's a difference from 15 to 20 to 25 to 30. And one more thing we did to try to keep the test the same was we used a fresh tip every time, and that gave us really crisp starts. That's something we learned too. So we set up another outside corner joint and bumped up the argon to 30 CFH, which probably wasn't really 30 CFH, and welded another outside corner joint. Much better results. Good little path of cleaning running outside there, almost 1/8 of an inch.
Now that's pretty.
Yeah.
That's pretty. All that for that.
Worth it, wasn't it?
It was worth it. That's beautiful. Just that 5 more CFH. Oh, yeah, it was definitely noticeable as I was welding.
And then Brad Goodman showed up the next day and brought his little pea shooter flow checker with him. And he says he uses this all the time to tune his argon flow, even based on humid days. Hey, stay tuned for more.